What's up, goddesses? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It is your girl Toya Ray, and I am back with another video. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in quite a while, and even though this isn't one of our Let's Talk About It segments, I just wanted to come on and say hello. I have some new subscribers, so I wanted to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. You guys already know what to do. If you're new here watching, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a day one goddess, been riding with me from the beginning, welcome back. Love you guys so much. Thank you always for your support. And this video, it's nothing much to this video. It is a simple silk press, the client that I am working on today. The first time that I did her hair, it took me 4 hours. Her hair was very dry, very brittle, like she needed a lot of help, and she has come a long way in her hair care and her at-home maintenance. So I am so proud of her. She's been trying to do better with managing her hair in between her services, so she's come a long way, and she still has quite a ways to go, but she's moving in the right direction. Only thing I would say in this video is that she has low porosity hair. So let's talk about trims, because one of her main concerns was keeping her length, because every time she comes in with it for a trim, we usually have to take about 2.5 inches, sometimes 3 inches off. Her hair is growing. The thing with low porosity hair, and if you have very dry hair and moisture is a problem, you cannot go a lengthy period without getting a trim. I recommend that you come in within 6 to 8 weeks and maintain a trim schedule that way, so that you can see some length retention. Okay, so just keep that in mind, ladies. Like, if you're having problems with moisture, dry hair, you really want to see your stylist within 6 to 8 weeks to get your treatment services, get your hydration services, your steam services. With my low porosity clients, I do like to start steaming them during the shampoo process to get that cuticle open, so all that goodness from beginning to the end of the shampoo service can get into their hair. Okay, all right, goddesses, I got some super duper exciting news for you guys. So exciting. I'm super excited. I'm super ecstatic, and I hope you guys will be too. So here it goes. If you've been paying attention to my community tab and my other posts, then you already know what's up. On June 19th, let me say the date again. On June 19th, Jubilee Day, Emancipation Day, June 19th, ladies. June 19th, goddesses. Get that. I want that in y'all head. June 19th. Toya Ray Hair Care drops. There you go. Yes. Toya Ray Hair Care drops. And I am just beyond excited about this. I cannot believe that at this point we are literally like 24 days away from my product line release. I'm so happy. Like, y'all just don't know. I can't, I know I keep saying I'm so excited, but I really am. This has been in the works for a long time. I've been doing a lot of product research, a lot of research on ingredients, studying more and more about hair care, lining up my salon services for this my hair care line. So y'all, I'm about to bring y'all some fire, like seriously. So just to give you some background on Toya Ray Hair Care, it is solely focused on herbal hair care. Okay, I am focused on herbal hair care. More of the stuff that our earth produces for us on a daily basis, and less of the chemicals. Not saying that, the chemicals, a lot of the chemicals that you find in your shampoos and conditioners are bad for your hair. That's not necessarily true. There are a lot of good chemically designed ingredients that do wonders for the hair. Okay, I want to just focus on more of the herbal hair care being infused into my product, and then adding on the additional things that the product needs to sustain and you know, be great. Okay, so you know, our earth, you know, it just provides everything that we need from it. That's just how it was designed. It was designed to provide everything that we need and also to help us care for our hair. You know, for centuries our ancestors relied on botanical and herbal formulations to treat their hair, so why not really get back to it? Okay, I know a lot of people are doing like the herbal growth oils and things like that, but man, I tell you, through my research, like there are things that I did not know and benefits about different herbs that I just did not know about for the hair. Like when I tell you God designed our earth just perfect, like it's just amazing. Like he literally thought of everything. Okay, so I want to be thankful and utilize what, you know, what he provided for us to care for our hair. So that's what I'm going to do. And I don't know about you, but my ancestors ain't never steered me wrong. Okay, they ain't did it yet. So I'm gonna get back to how they treated their hair and using herbal and botanical formulations to help care for you ladies' hair. Okay, so please make sure that you are following me on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you join our email list so you don't miss out on the awesome Juneteenth sales that we will be having for both Toya Ray Hair Care and the Ray Effect. I will have a new wig collection coming out for some ready to ship units. I can't wait for you goddesses to try my product line. On June 19th, we will be releasing 2 products, okay? 2 products. Now, the first product is what you all voted for a while back when I was asking what should I release first. You all said a silk serum, okay? So I will be releasing a silk serum to you guys. Now, here's the thing about this silk serum. I formulated it to repair, strengthen, and protect your hair by incorporating natural herbs that provide natural proteins, vitamin C, moisture, encourages blood circulation and hair growth, all while protecting your hair from thermal styling. Okay, so this ain't no regular no regular old silk serum. This is a silk serum that's really beneficial to your hair. The second product is a herbal infused hair growth oil that is jam packed with herbs that are essential to keeping your hair healthy and strong. Okay, so there is a product for my ladies who like to thermal style their hair. There is a product available for my ladies who like to wear their natural curls. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction into the products that we will be releasing. I hope you all love them just as much as I do. Make sure you join my email list. The link will be in the description box. Once again, make sure that you're following me on social media because you don't want to miss out. And make sure you pay attention to my community tab too, because I'm going to be dropping some information over there as well. And pretty soon in some of my videos, you're going to start seeing me utilize the product and learning how to use the product and learning more details about the product. So thank you in advance for all of your support. I hope that I have your support on June 19th where the product drops and Toya Ray Hair Care releases. Make sure, I'm gonna keep saying, make sure you please join my email list, because if you're on my email list, there's gonna be some additional savings for you on Juneteenth. Okay, I'm already working on my next set of products for Toya Ray Hair Care, so the show not stopping there. Okay, like I got an awesome product lineup for you guys, so just stay tuned. Like I keep telling y'all, like 2021 is going to be lit. Just be patient with me, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Like when I tell you your girl is working, your girl is working. Okay, I'm working. All right, y'all. So with all that said, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support and watching my videos. Thank you in advance for your support for Toya Ray Hair Care. I hope you guys love it. I can't wait to share more details with you all. Until next time, goddesses, you all have a good one. Be blessed.
Yeah. Is it alright? If I tell you some of my secrets, I'm in over my head right now. Think they're gonna weigh me down, 'cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings. And I just need to let this out, no. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet 'cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away, let it wash away. Let it wash away, let it wash away. Some nights feels good to not have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. And it's alright, oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. I wanna get lost in the storm, no. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet 'cause it's all I know. Oh, push away but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away, let it wash away. Let it wash away, let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, wash away. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour.
Something about this flower fills me with an emotion I don't really understand. about this flower fills me with an emotion I don't really understand.